Welcome to JV's tutorial. Today we are going to learn how we can do inheritance in Python programming. So for that, before starting that one, we should know what inheritance is. Inheritance is the concept of object-oriented programming where there will be two classes. One is called the parent class and another one is called the child class. Whenever the child class wants to inherit the method and the properties of another class, that is the parent class, then the concept is said to be as inheritance. Okay, now here the child will inherit some properties from the parent class. Now we are going to code a program where a child class will inherit the properties. Whatever the properties are present in parent class will be inherited to the child class. So for that, let's go to Python. So first go to file and open new. Okay, minimize the slide since it is not needed now. So here I will write the program in Python to demonstrate the concept inheritance. To demonstrate a concept of inheritance. Okay, here I will take a class. I will name the class as parent class. Okay, within the parent class I am taking two variables. One is name. Okay, and I am taking another variable which I am keeping it to be as empty first. Okay, then I am taking another variable, that is surname, which is I am giving some values here, that is the suppose sing. I am giving the value to be as sing. Then I am taking two methods within this particular class. One method, suppose the insert method I am taking here, self. Now I want to insert the name. Whatever the name is, I have to insert it. So for that we have to write self dot name is equal to input. Okay, whatever the name is, we will be inserted. Enter the name. Okay. Then after that I am taking another function. The function is suppose show function self. Okay. Now the show function will show the full name of the particular person, particular parents. The full name is obviously it will first be their first name. So first name will be stored in name variable, and the second surname, which has already been predefined, that is a string, will be surname. Since it is a, we have to write here self dot name. Here we have to write self dot name. So the full name will come out here. Then I take another function. Here I am taking the function name as hair color. Okay, I've taken the hair color. I am writing the print statement here, and I am taking the hair color to be, the hair color is black. Okay, now I'm taking a child class. I'm naming it as child. Okay, since the child, okay, first initially I'm not showing the inheritance concept, simply writing a program. Here I will take a function is def. So I will write the function name as skill. Okay, and I'm taking a print statement where the prints will be uh, child is a good singer. Okay, now the child is a good singer. Now here the concept of inheritance is not yet done, so let's try without inheritance first. Suppose I'm going to create an object for the parent. So parent, I'm writing created an object ob for the parent. Okay, after that I am calling the function is insert function, so that I can take the name of the particular parent. And for after that I will take display function. Okay, then again I am taking hair color function. Lo hair color function. Okay, now save the program. I'm saving the program in D drive with a Python. Here I'm writing the concept inheritance.py. Okay, saving it. Now I want to run it. Whenever we are running it, so it will first ask for enter the name. Suppose I am entering the name as Rahul. Okay, since the parent name I have inserted as Rahul, and it will come that parent is not an attribute of display. Okay, display function is not there, actually it is show, not display. This is so I will replace it with show. Okay, save it, again recompile it. Okay, now enter the name, it's Rahul. Okay, the full name is Rahul Singh and the hair color is black. This concept is for the parent part. Okay, again I'm showing one. Whenever we are running this one, enter the name, I am taking the name to be as Rahul and the full name is coming to be as Rahul Singh. This is the parent part. Okay, now same thing I will create for object ob1 is equal to for a child. I have created an object for a child and I am naming it as ob1. Now suppose I am calling the function ob1 dot skill, writing the function name to be a skill. I'm calling that one. Okay, then simply run the program. Saved it and simply run the program. So in the father section, it comes to be as Rahul. Okay, the full name is Rahul and the child is a good singer. The child section, it comes at the skill function is giving the child is a good singer because the skill is a function of child. Now suppose I want to take the insert function for child, ob dot insert function. Suppose I am taking this insert function for the child, but the insert is not present in the child class. Okay, now see what happens. So when we saved it and run it, okay, it shows that the insert function Rahul. Okay, the father's name is coming here, but it says that the child object has no attribute insert because insert function is not for the child. It is for the parent class. It is for the parent class because it is within the parent class. The insert function is within the parent class. So how can we bring that one? By the concept of inheritance. So I will write here parent. Okay, again saved it, save the program, and run it. Okay, now it will come out. This is for the father section Rahul. Okay, then the Rahul Singh, enter the name. This is for the child section. Suppose I am reading as Rajiv. Okay, the second section, so it says that the child is a good singer, but I have not given the function show for that one. Rajiv has been taken, but it is not showing the show function. That's why it is not showing that the name full name is Rajiv. So here I will call the function ob1 dot, the function name is here show. So I will call here show. Let's see what happened. Now see the output is Rahul. Suppose I am taking the father's name as Rahul. So Rahul Singh is name coming. The hair color is black. Enter the name. This is for a child class. Suppose I am taking the name to as Rajiv. So here the full name is Rajiv Singh. See what is happening here. I have already inserted the name of the child here. Here only I have inserted the name of the child. Here I have inserted only the name of the child as Rajiv. The Singh is automatically being assigned here from the parent class because the inheritance concept is there. So here until it, how can we do inheritance? This is the way how we can do inheritance. That is a class name. Within the brackets, we have to write the parent class from where we are inheriting. So this is the way how we can do inheritance in uh, Python. So next videos we will learn what are the different types of inheritance that are possible in Python. Thank you very much.